guys, so I didn't get a video up yesterday as I explained on my Insta stories and in my video that you'll see on my blog channels today. However, I am about to show you what I'm going to do. It's going to be, today it's going to be more of like a vlog form, just because what I'm doing is it really doesn't require me to do a whole lot of setup and trying to get everything together with the other camera and the lights and everything like that. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to organize my nail polishes. Okay, so I have here, this is actually whiteboard. I cut it, as you can see, and then I put this contact paper on it. So yeah, this is just whiteboard that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to Velcro on here and on the back of my nail polishes and just stick them all over here. Okay, y'all, so I put one down just to kind of see what it would look like. I think I'm going to hot glue these down over here just because I don't want it coming up. So I put a piece of Velcro on here and I put the piece of Velcro here. So this is what's going to happen. It's just going to stick on there like that. And I have these pieces here that I cut up. I have a longer type of Velcro. I don't have the like circular ones like I would like, but these are what the Velcro look like. They're long like this, so I just cut them in half. I'm probably going to have to get another pack because I counted yesterday and I have 91 nail polishes. So I cut this board out to fit all of those nail polishes. So it's very simple, very easy. Like I said, I had another idea that did not work out yesterday, but I'm still going to keep it. I'm going to use it. I'm just going to use it for my paint. So this is just another idea that you can do for your nail polishes. I did see this on Pinterest also, but what I seen it was like a picture frame. People were using picture frames. However, I have 91 nail polishes. I don't have any like 8x10s, enough 8x10s to fit all my nail polishes on, so I decided to use whiteboard because this will work for me. I already had this contact paper and I already had this Velcro, and of course I already had the nail polishes. So I'm going to try to fill this up as much as I can with what I have right now, and then I'll show you guys the finished project. Okay, so I had to make a minor adjustment to the thing. So I ran out of the first little strip things, so I decided to use this. I forgot I had this in the basement. It's actually sew on Velcro and I use it for my sewing projects, but I figured this would be easier, so I'm going to do this and then take the other side and just clip it. So I could put this on the back of the nail polish jars. Make it easier. Hopefully it'll go faster. And I want to try to get this hung up so you guys can see what it actually looks like. Okay, guys. So here it is. I'm all done with it. Like I said, I got my longer Velcro to go across because it seemed like it was a lot easier doing it this way. So I am eventually going to put this on the wall. Now I still need another board because I have at least, I got about 20 more that didn't fit on here, but I love this. These 3 rows I like better than the first 2 because the first 2 were just the little tabs that I cut up. But I like these better. Not it's like I fit a lot more in the row than what I did when I did the first. So I probably will eventually do the same thing to the first 2 rows. But this is just an idea, guys, of how you can store your nail polishes. Like I said, I did see this done with picture frames, so I guess if you buy a big enough picture frame, you can do the same thing, just use Velcro. So I hope this gives you an idea. I hope you like it. I'm a little obsessive compulsive here. Some of the things are out of place, so I probably will rearrange, because some of those lavenders should technically be down here with the other ones. So we'll just see how that goes. But thank you all for watching. I hope you like this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because like I said before, that is where I will post a lot of notifications if I'm being late with a video like I was yesterday. This is Friday, so the video is going up today. So you will know all that by following me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.